Welcome back to the Afro Food Diary. How are you all doing? How are you doing, guys? Thank you so much for joining me today. It's true that I dropped a video yesterday. I'm sure my OGs will be surprised to get another video, but this is a very special one. Like, it's a very special episode in collaboration with other amazing ladies on YouTube. This is a collaboration that is spearheaded by the Women on YouTube team, headed by TY Vlogs. Sis, I appreciate you so much for this opportunity. And I and these women, we decided this time around to bring to us different recipes, healthy ones that you can try this summer. Okay, yeah, but my video yesterday already addressed that, so if you haven't seen that, please click here to watch it after this. Okay, or you can find the link in my description box. So guys, I and these wonderful ladies over here, we decided to bring you meal ideas, drink ideas, healthy ones that you can add to your menu for this summer. Okay, we know that a lot of us are already in summer mode. Most of us have already got our bodies snatched via strong exercises and dieting and all that, but my part of this have been done yesterday. Like, the video I uploaded yesterday talked about the healthy recipes, right? But apart from that one, I have already shared with us lots of healthy recipes on my channel, like these baked egg rolls, like this okro yam porridge in collaboration with Nosagal, and this green smoothie recipe in collaboration with Discovering Natural channel. This proper okra soup, the oilless okra soup. Remember, if you haven't seen this, it's all on my channel. Is it about salads? Here we have two chicken salad recipes that you can try for this summer as well if you love it light. Talk about our native foods. This is soup, oha soup. This one is oha soup. You can always try our native foods. They are healthy. This is our special edition Abacha recipe. Try this out for this summer. You would love it. If you're an Ajibo, we have you covered as well. Yeah, chicken curry is here. You can also try our nutrient-packed spaghetti jollof. Okay, always remember that you can always switch white rice or pasta for the brown ones. Instead of making a meal, here is what I have to tell you. It is better to focus on keeping your body snatched the whole year round. Like, let's say you decided to do that today, to keep it like that for the rest of your life, apart from the fact that unforeseen things might happen. For example, pregnancy happens and you gain weight, but overall, let our focus be to start habits that are sustainable. That's the word. Do things that you can continue to do, not just because you want a good summer body, but because you want to remain healthy and just in that positive frame all year round. Okay, so it shouldn't be all about summer, and when summer is over, you forget about keeping fit, you forget about dieting. Try and find ways and sustainable habits in terms of what you eat, in terms of keeping active, that you can continue to do after the summer and remain healthy for the rest of your lives. Okay, yeah, I'm not saying that it's that easy for everybody. I acknowledge the fact that a lot of people gain weight faster than others. A lot of people, life just happen. Let's say a woman has had a baby, and they just gain all that weight. Okay, my message is find sustainable habits that will get you that perfect body, and something that you can continue to do after the summer. Okay, let it not just be all about summer and then October comes and you're already weighing more than you were in August, for instance. So guys, that's my message for you. Thank you so much, TY. Thank you so much, ladies, for this amazing opportunity to work with you. Guys, please do well to check out my other sisters and the meals and the drinks. Some of them will be making drinks, some of them will be cooking. Yeah, just find out what they have for you, and I'm sure you will love it. With that, I say thank you so much for hanging on with me once again today. Thank you for your patience. I really do appreciate you. If you have not subscribed up until this point, please do that, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.